G'day YouTube. Today I'll be showing you how to install these Hunter MP Rotator sprinkler system, and I'll give you a quick review of how it performs as well. So this is the Hunter MP Rotator system. Basically what you need for each pop-up sprinkler is a body, which is this, and then a spray nozzle, which is these. What you need to choose is each of these spray nozzles. They come in different colours. So I don't know if you can see that one's a grey colour. Try and do this one-handed, and that one's black. So they have a chart of each of these, which basically covers off what each colour does. So like for an example, the black ones I think do 0 to 180 degrees of a certain distance, and the grey one does a much larger 360 degree radius. So when they come, the bodies come with a little cap on them. This, I don't know if you can see that, it's trying to pull it back in, but they come with a cap on them that you take out, and then they have your usual 1/2 inch, I think it's BSP setting, inlet. So yeah, we'll get the bits we need from the local hardware store, and then we'll go and install them in the lawn. The pop-up sprinkler, and as you can see, it just takes normal fittings. So I'm using 19mm hose. Yeah, and that's all there is to it. So basically, when you got them in the ground with the pipes all attached, they come with these caps, temporary caps. So basically you just lift it out and unscrew the temporary cap, and then put in your spray nozzle. Now what the instructions say, I don't know whether you can see that, but there's a little notch in the nozzle just here, and a little line, and what the instructions say is that nozzle, or that line, needs to go to the left of your spray area. So to do that, I just unscrew it, and you can just move this inside bit around to the correct location. So you can pop it back out again if you need to, and then you just put it into the right direction and do the cap back up. You can then adjust the sprinkler. You have to do it while it's on, but you use this tool Actually, I'll turn the sprinkler on and I'll show you. So as you can see, the sprinkler's on and it's squirting all over the shed, which is not what we want. So what you do is you use the tool that comes with it and you put it over there, and you can adjust the amount of degrees that the sprinkler goes through. So you can see there that that's almost right, maybe a bit more back like that. But you can see you're basically adjusting the number of degrees that the sprinkler goes in. So somewhere about there is probably good. Yeah, and I'll give you an update on how these work, but they're definitely better than the other system I had going, that's for certain. So my initial view on the performance is it's pretty good. I don't know whether you can see it on the camera, but they do crisscross over, and I planned it that way. And really the ground is wet everywhere. I mean, you can see here I had issues with patchiness because I couldn't get the sprinkler in that part. But really, it's all damp, and yeah, it seems to be pretty good. I won't know for a little while how well it performs with the grass, but I will give an update once we've had a month or two on this. Thanks all. If you did like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. Cheers.